searching for a reason, running through the dark, praying for a love that could steady my heart. Then you came like morning, soft and true, and every broken road led me to you. You saw me clearly, loved me whole. In your arms I finally found my soul. So I choose you in the light, I choose you in the rain, in the joy, in the healing, in the growing pains. Esikial and Felicia, written in truth, every day, every season. I choose you.
Love ain't just the magic, it's the staying strong. It's forgiveness in the silence, it's the right after wrong. When the world feels heavy and the night feels long, your love reminds me I'm right where I belong.
If my faith ever trembles, if I lose my way, your hand in mine will always lead me back again. So I choose you in the light, I choose you in the rain, in the joy, in the healing, in the growing pains. Esikial and Felicia, coming true every day, every season. I choose you.
Standing here before God and everyone we love, this is more than a promise, it's a covenant of us. No fear, no doubt, no letting go. Forever starts right here, I hope you know.
I choose you when the road is smooth, I choose you when we're walking through. With all I am and all I'll be, Esikial and Felicia, this is destiny. I choose you. So take my